my channel. How you guys are? I really hope you guys are doing really good. Today I have came up with a very helpful and informative video for you all guys, especially for all the people who are fighting with acne. So this video is going to be very helpful for you because I'm gonna tell you some of the product which are for acne prone skin and they are totally personalized for you. So if you want to know more about this, then keep on watching and let's get started with the video without wasting so much time into the intro. So let me tell you all about my acne story a little bit. Okay, so I was in class 8 probably at that time, and from my childhood only I'm really fond of makeup, so I always used to do makeup. But those days I really didn't know that skincare is very important. So what I used to do, I just applied the makeup and went back to sleep, like just like that. I didn't used to clean the face. So what happened, like धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ ना कि pimples आने लगा, which leaves really dark spot which I still have. So I've never found any product which actually works on my spots. It's very recent when I found a brand called Be Body Wise. जो Be Body Wise brand है ना, what they do, they make personalized product for you. Like when I got this product, I have gone through a process and then I got my personalized kit which is suitable for me. I thought of making a video for the entire process so that it can help you as well. So before moving forward and telling you about the product, let me tell you about the brand a little bit because you need to know about the brand also. So I have got a package like this from the brand Be Body Wise. So Be Body Wise जो है ना एक digital doctor consultant website है. So it is an Indian brand which makes healthcare product related to your hair, to your skin and weight related issues. So whatever skin problem you are facing, you can definitely hit towards their website and you can get your solutions out there. My major concern was my spots. So now let me tell you how this website works and why it is a digitally doctor consultant website. So if you visit to their website, if you don't know what are the product you should go for and feel a little confused, then what you can do, you can take an assessment in their website. They'll ask you some few questions which you have to answer them through a form which they will provide in their website, which is related to your habits, your food, your concern, your skin type and a lot of more things related to your problem. So they can understand your problem and your needs. So when you fill up the form, you get a detailed report of yourself. And then you can consult to a doctor through their website and then they will recommend you the product depending on your report card. Okay? And then if you like the product, you can buy it and the delivery will be at your doorstep. See, this all 4 steps is there. Like firstly you have to do the assessment and answer few questions and then they'll give you a report card. Depending on that, doctors will recommend you products and then you can order them. That's simple. This is the only 4 simple steps that you need to do. But don't worry, it's not necessary that you have to go through this 4 steps whenever you want to buy something. If you know what are your needs, then you can directly go to their website and choose the product and buy it for yourself. You don't even need to do this assessment and consult to a doctor. When I found this website, I really wanted to give it a try because I have tried a lot of the things till now, but none worked. To be very honest, for my dark spot, none worked. It has reduced a little bit. I don't know which product does it, but हाँ थोड़ा कम होने लगा है. But I wanted to try something else too. Then I did that assessment because I didn't know what product to go for. So I did that assessment. You can see right here as well. So I fill up some of the questions depending on my habits, depending on my need, depending on my concern. And then at the last of the assessment, I got my detailed report. And then I consulted Dr. Shobita and she's so amazing that it helped me understand my skin. And then depending on the report card, she suggested me some of the product which are in this box. You can see up here it's written that made for Rimi because it is personalized, like it is what my skin is needing right now. This is my entire experience with the website. Now let me tell you what are the products that she suggested me and I got with me. So let's just see one by one. So this is my personalized kit as you can see, and it is from their website. I got suggested three of their products, which is mainly concerned for acne, and it is a daily treatment for your skin. All of them comes in like orange sort of a cardboard packaging, as you can see. So the very first product that I get suggested is the acne control foaming face wash right here. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. Now inside this is a foaming face wash which controls acne, and this retails for 349 rupees, and you get 120 ml of product in this bottle. This face wash claims to unclog pores, removes built-up, exfoliates dead skin cells. The very front of the bottle itself, they have written that it has 1% of glycolic acid, 1% of salicylic acid. They are supposed to exfoliate your skin gently. Apart from that, they have some more ingredients as well, like aqua, C14, 16, and a lot of more ingredients. Right? It has a pump over here like this, through which the product came out as a foam, so that you can lather it up on your face and cleanse your face to deep level. They have suggested you to use it twice daily, and you have to use this product straight for 2 months to see best result. The second product in this range which I got suggested is an acne spot correcting gel. This is how the product looks. Again, comes in a same kind of packaging, and then inside this is in a tube form, as you can see. So this little tube, you got 30 gram of product, and this retails for 499. It has 1% of glycolic acid and 2% of salicylic acid. Apart from that, it has 4% of niacinamide. Niacinamide helps in reducing the redness in your skin. This product is meant to be used twice daily, morning and night compatible, and it also takes 2 months to show you best result. This is a spot correcting gel, so you're supposed to use it onto a particular area where you have spot, and not to be used to your entire face. And the third and the last product that I have in this kit is a serum. It's their skin clarifying serum, and the packaging again is same. Inside this, you see the bottle looks something like this. It is a frosty bottle which has the product, and you get 30 ml of product in this bottle. It retails for 599. So it has 10% of niacinamide, zinc, PCA, and green tea extract. And zinc, PCA have anti-aging properties. Apart from that, it has green tea extract which purify your skin, and also great option when it comes to acne. Up here you can see it says that use every day, use in the morning, and it also takes 2 months to show you best result. Let me show you how usually I like to use this kit for my acne, for treating my acne spots. So for the very first step, I like to take this acne control foaming face wash. I take 2 pumps of it. That's enough for me. It lathers so amazingly. Just massage my face for about 1.5 minutes, and after that, when I feel like I'm done with it, I just wash it with lukewarm water. This product literally clears and removes dead skin cells amazingly. As soon as I use it, my skin feels really refreshed. And the second step that I do is to apply this acne spot correcting gel. They have a particular order, so I take very generous amount onto my fingers, and I apply to only some particular area where I have spot. As you can see in this area, especially the cheeks area, I had pimples, and that leaves marks on it which is very dark and very prominent. So I just apply and dab it around there to both my cheeks, and I just let it sit for some amount of time so that it gets dry, because after this I need to apply another product on top of it. Then my third and last step in this skincare is to apply a serum, which is their Body Wise skin clarifying serum. So I take 4 to 6 drop of this serum directly onto my palm. I give it a rub a little bit so that I can warm it up, and then I press it. I do not move the product around, and I do not massage it. I just dab it so that it gets absorbed into the skin. And whenever I go out, or whenever I am in contact with the sun, I never forget to apply sunscreen, and I would suggest you to do the same. This is my current skincare routine, and which I have been following for last 10 days, and I would definitely continue doing it. But overall, I really like it. So I really like the idea that Be Body Wise has brought to us. I would definitely like to say thank you so much, Be Body Wise, for at least coming up with such an idea where you have a digital platform to consult a doctor. The idea itself is very good. In case if you made up your mind to check out their website, the link will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out and check out their products, their assessment, and consult a doctor if you want to. So yeah, I hope this video was informative, and I hope I've covered all the important points that I needed to make you know. So if it was informative, then you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel for more of such videos, and I will be coming up with more videos like this, informative, then makeup, and a lot of more things in my next video. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel for that, and also press that bell icon so that you get notified. And I'll see you next time. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.